The U.S. Army teamed up with the tech company Epirus to test the cutting-edge Leonidas anti-aircraft system in the Nevada desert. During the test, according to a statement from Epirus, Leonidas successfully shot down 6 unmanned aerial systems, UASs, using the Silent High-Power Microwave, or HPM, device. Viewers may note that Epirus has introduced 3 different versions of the Leonidas in less than 2 years. Epirus CEO Andy Lowery stated, "We were able to demonstrate effects that we haven't done in this close to a real-world environment, including coordinated fires for additional range and advanced waveforms for greater efficiency." Lowery further added that their evaluations of various systems within a larger framework have clarified their capabilities, limitations, and requirements. Importantly, he confirmed the effectiveness of their high-powered microwave system in countering drones and swarms, positioning them as a vital component of a multi-layered defense strategy. Lots of data that's been collected during these tests will be crucial for the Army Test and Evaluation Command and the U.S. Department of Defense. In this video, Defense updates reports on Leonidas microwave-emitting anti-UAS system. Let's get into the details. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big Four auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. UAS, or drones, are no longer just being used as harmless hobby systems or just for surveillance. These are being employed as weapons to strike targets at long standoff ranges. Drone technology has become very advanced and relatively cheap. From conflicts in Syria and Nagorno-Karabakh to Ukraine, they're playing a key role. It's become increasingly clear that a swarm of armed drones has the potential to cause a lot of damage. We've witnessed that multi-million-dollar military assets, like main battle tanks, have been disabled by inexpensive drones. Currently, there are 2 ways to neutralize drones. 1. Kinetic kill approach, where the enemy drone is physically damaged. This can be done by intercepting the drone with missiles, automated gun systems, and even other drones. 2. Non-kinetic kill approach, where the drone is not hit physically with a projectile. Leonidas fires powerful, precisely directed microwaves. When microwaves reach their target, they possess the unique ability to induce currents in electronic circuits. This can result in malfunctions or even permanent damage to electronic components, making microwave systems highly effective against electronic devices and communication infrastructure. In addition to interfering with electronics, powerful microwave beams can generate heat. This thermal effect can cause physical damage to materials and structures, although this application is less common compared to causing electronic disturbances. Microwave systems typically require high-voltage sources to generate the necessary energy for the microwaves. Leonidas is a cutting-edge, solid-state, high-power microwave (HPM) system that leverages gallium nitride (GaN) semiconductors to deliver exceptional anti-electron effects. At the core of Leonidas lies the Epirus Smart Power system. This innovation emerged from the need to develop a smaller, yet equally powerful and efficient HPM system compared to older models. Epirus claims to have transformed HPM systems by shifting from analog to digital technology. Beneath the surface of Leonidas are gallium nitride-based linear, switchable, amplified modules LRAMs, equipped with unique power management, control, and amplification features. This LRAM design offers better flexibility, more reliability, and distinct advantages over other HPM methods. Each LRAM is built on the innovative Epirus Smart Power Technology platform, which integrates hardware, software, and intelligent services to deliver superior power management. Thanks to Smart Power, Leonidas can achieve the high power output required for HPM pulses without overheating. Additionally, Leonidas features software-defined capabilities that allow for highly complex and customizable waveforms. Being software-defined means Leonidas can adjust its waveforms to target a single entity in confined spaces or cover broader areas. This provides the operational flexibility to neutralize threats, such as enemy drones, near-friendly assets, or large swarms of drones with the same system. This variant can be integrated into any vehicle for mobile anti-UAS and anti-swarm capabilities. Drone attacks are a rising concern, with the potential to overwhelm traditional air defense systems. Swarms of small, agile drones can be difficult to track and destroy with missiles or guns. For example, on September 14, 2019, facilities of Saudi Arabia's oil company, Aramco, located in the east of the country, came under coordinated drone and missile attack. Being facilities of very significant importance, they were protected by layered air defense, Patriot PAC-2 surface-to-air missile batteries, and short-range automatic gun systems. The Patriot air defense failed to detect the incoming threats or was too late, and the automatic gun systems fired sporadically, but the threats were not taken down. The attack disrupted shipments of 5.7 million barrels of oil daily, which is around 50% of Saudi Arabia's output. The economics of interception is also skewed and could be easily assessed from the large-scale April attack on Israel. The United States reported neutralizing over 80 drones and at least 6 ballistic missiles launched from both Iran and Yemen, where the Houthis, a military group backed by Tehran, operate from. The operation, lasting only a few hours, came with significant financial implications. Some missiles, like Israeli Arrow 3, American-made PAC-3, and SM-6, cost several $1 million, and in some cases, 2 to 3 may be required to neutralize a single threat. An assessment from Reem Aminoch, a former brigadier general and chief financial advisor to the Israeli military's leadership, suggests that the combined efforts of Israel, the United States, Britain, France, and Jordan likely incurred expenses in the ballpark of $1.1 billion. In this type of environment, a system like Leonidas could be very handy.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.